Hello friends, the main thing which I wanted to show you is this particular page. Just see, observe the background over here, ignore everything else, observe the background particularly, and you can see this table. And if you remember, this is the table of class 12th NCERT part 2 chemistry, or the chemistry in everyday chemistry in everyday life. Yeah, that not chemistry in everyday life, that chapter. Yeah, it was biomolecules. So that was a table. You can see in your own books also. And this was a very important one. I had planned to learn, or I mean, I had learned all the sources. That is, for example, vitamin A. It is fish liver oil, carrots, butter, and milk. In that, here it is only four. You can also only two, three or four. You can also remember it, but when you come to for example vitamin b6 or vitamin c, then it has another name also, that is a common name. And its sources are also many. And then the deficiency disease, I had planned to learn all the, or I had actually learned all the sources of these vitamins. It might be useful, it might seem to be useful for you, or it might not seem to be useful for you. But I thought of learning this entire all the sources because of some reason. And this is only one table. The other one is also, small part is there on the other page, but there only vitamin I think vitamin E and vitamin K is there. So those two are easy, only we can just one sources of each of them is there, and one deficiency disease is there. So that is very easy, we can learn that. So I didn't take that picture. And this is only one picture. There is another picture which you can keep is in the locked screen. This is only when the screen is unlocked, this picture comes. Another is when the screen is locked, two pictures will come. So even if you just click the power button of your phone, you will get to see one picture, and another picture will be this one. So that these two things at least will be 100% there in your mind, and any question comes from this, will you will be able to very easily answer. And these are the I mean, common questions for now, for times for now these times, question or the trend of the question paper. So this is one way. There are many other beautiful ideas, technological ideas, which I can share with you. Just stay tuned with this channel, do subscribe, and you will get to know the power of this channel. Thank you.